If we go back a little bit to 1997, I can consider the first economy faced the sectors in 1997. It was my beginning in the company, actually. And it was in purely regards to oil prices reduced that time. And we could see that it was 2 years. And 1999, again, 1999, the government, the Saudi market again recovered. And we start, let's say, mid-wave of again growth, starting from 2000 up to 2008. And the expenses that was in our sectors, it was say also middle expenses. It was not so vertical, I can say. It's more to the horizontals growth. And it goes for 8 years, up to 2008. That time, like I say, the whole economy world's crisis, it's affect everybody. But still, the market in Saudi Arabia was the fastest one to recover from this one. Almost we cannot even feel it right. So from 2008 to 2010, the whole world was affected by this crisis. And 2010, again, we start booming. What was really, I can consider as a very verticals and high spending from 2010 up to 2014. I can estimate the spending was about 200 billion real actual in our sectors per year, which is considered very high. I can say it's an economy cycles. I mean, translating to the real thing, we can say a lot of reasons and explanations. But in reality, I mean, there is an economy cycles for everything in the world. It cannot be just continuous without corrections. So even we relate this to different price oils or any other explanations. But I can say that in my understanding, it's an economy cycles which should be corrected again to make more healthy, okay? From the other hand, if we are looking about our expectations and whatever the media says and let's say contradictions or conflicts on the informations from the market, it depends to which angle you're going to look for it. I mean, if we come also to real figures, most of the infrastructure in the governments, and especially the majors, ministries, has been completed in a different variances of percentage, but I can say on average not less than 70% in the last, from 2000 up to 2014. Let's say from 2008 up to 2014, it was a highest, I mean, we wasn't really overspeeding in spending and also in the same time, very active in building a lot of the infrastructures. Subject and not limited to, I mean, the infrastructure for the sewage, for the, I mean, the cities, medicals, economy, industrial cities. So I can say well, we are right now, and we are not in a bad position. I think this correction is healthy for the market.